Dito ako ngayon sa may high precision diagnostics para sa aming APE, Annual Physical Exam. Makuha tanaw na rito. Waiting muna. Let's go! Mga guys, confirm. Kailangan daw ng pupo sa ano. Kasi tinanong ako dito nung magtitinda ng banana cake. Sabi para daw makapoop ako. So malamang kailangan ng poop. Hindi ko sure pero tingnan natin pagpasok. Kasi hindi pa ako pumapasok. Ang daming tao. Iwas-iwas sa crowded. Diba? Pinili ko na talaga ngayon para sa mga susunod na linggo mag re-relax na lang ako kasi mahirap yung maghahabol ka ng ATM. Tapos pag hindi mo ito natapos, baka ma-LTE ka pa o force, di ba? Kailangan maging compliant ka. Diba, bite-bite ka rito. Ang hirap talaga magpupo sa ano, sa ibang bahay o ibang lugar, diba? Dalawa nga lang lugar na nakakapupo ako sa bahay, saka sa ano, sa office. Sa office sa pilitan pa yun kasi no choice ka pag hindi ka tinamaan. Kasi ang hapa ng oras mo sa office. Kaya yun lang talaga yung dalawang lugar. Pero pagka ganito, nakakaumay talaga guys. Kasi ang hirap tansa ng pupo. Dalawa. Yung guys, kung makita niyo yung loob, tingnan niyo sa loob. Ano, marami pa namang seats. Pero hindi naman siya masyadong crowded. Kaya titingnan niyo. Yan. Yan. Okay naman, so hindi naman siya nakakatakot pasukin. So, siyempre, pag nabigyan ka na kasi ng form dito, malamang yung ano rin ng specimen containers. Different ways. So, kung may sabay kami kukuha, alam mo naman, one thing. Diba? Kaya, hintayin ko na sila para halos sabay-sabay din kami tapos. Kaya feeling ko, dali lang naman din kasi kanina pagdating ko, ang dami pa. So, medyo kinabahan ako kasi baka matagal matapos. Pero bilis lang nila nung silabas. So, iba dito baka malamang sabay-sabay na sila nagpunta. Tapos sabay-sabay sila halos matapos. So, parang ganun ang gusto ko na Saan talaga, mabilis mo tapos kasi hirap mag-stay sa clinic. Masyadong risky pag sa mga ganitong lugar. Share mapir na na. Mga katropa.
Malapit. Kasi, ano,
Tingin goal. O kaya dapog. Yay! Tara, tagal ni JPEG. Pasok na.
2,000 years later.
Sa wakas, tapos din.
Pwede kahit tayo.
Basta bakit di ba kasama simula? Oh! Salamat sa pagkain. Grabe naman kayo.
Tumuwad ka.
Nasira yung ano, nawalan ako ng dignidad. Ibo kayo sir, maliit po yung butas. Shit!
Sana,
Garapalan talaga sinagsalita, no?
tapos sabi niya kasi yung face ko,
Oh.
pansinin mo, hindi siya talaga pantay.
Oo.
Sabi niya, ganyan ba talaga?
Ay, grabe siya.
Ganyan mo siya talaga. Sabi niya, di ba masakit? Ay, may pa-check up. Sabi ko, hindi ko na po kasi ipa-check up kasi hindi naman nga siya nag-i-filter sa everyday life. Wala po kasi akong tampat.
Ano yan, kumbaga, pagka kinborn mo ganyan na?
Actually, hindi.
Ay, na-injury ka?
Ano siya, after kung bapunutan ng ngipin, nagkaganyan nga.
Namaga?
Parang hindi ko napansin. Bigla na lang nakita ko, sabi ko, wala, takot pa rin yung mukha. May maupo ka na.
Dahil sa ano, dahil sa bunot.
Oo, kasi may sinunod sa akin dito. Diniinan niya talaga kasi hindi niya makuha.
Tapos na-deform, parang gano'n.
Parang lead ko na nakikita. Ano siya, nagkaroon siya ng effect.
Grabe.
Bakit tayo may nuggets?
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I could feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. Say me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Then will you get bored of killing me?
Bian na, Bian. Tara na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ana.
Bye-bye!
Outro na.